tornadoes to the south, spurred wind gusts strong enough to topple trailer trucks, and left more than 300,000 without power. Continues to march Friday toward the northeast, threatening torrential rain, more tornadoes and heavy snow. More than 60 million Tennessee and into northeastern Alabama and northwestern Georgia. The regions are under an enhanced risk for severe storms that could be more widespread and occasionally intense. Regions on the fringe of the enhanced storm risk area, such as Ohio, central Georgia, and Alabama.
Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Woo! Oh no!
It's getting kind of crazy. Whoa. This used to be our... Look, you can't even see the neighbor's house. The snow is so tall. By the way, this is my second-story balcony. Everybody's first floor is completely covered.
March 1st, 2023. Lake Tahoe. Weather condition. Beautiful powder. Snow morning.
I am well above my roof. That's my driveway down there.
A string of back-to-back winter storms hit the west this week, with blizzards and heavy snowfall in many areas of California. Days of unforgiving conditions shut down many blocked highways, cut power to thousands of homes and buried streets in snow as supplies in communities ran out. Emergency services in California rushed Wednesday to deliver food and medicine to mountain communities stranded by successive winter storms. That dumped so much snow some residents can barely see out their windows.
I don't know where we're gonna put any more snow. Supposed to snow another 3 feet or so.
Residents of these cities are struggling with so much snow that they're running out of space to say. Clearing one area adds tremendously to another.
Getting buried in Tahoe.
Oh, fuck.
Grocery store shelves were empty of some items, such as bread, and were short of eggs and milk on Tuesday as many residents walked to the shops in hopes of stocking up on basic necessities. Cars were buried under snow and roads were closed to traffic. Yosemite National Park, closed since Saturday due to heavy, blinding snow, has indefinitely postponed its reopening scheduled for Thursday. The heavy snowfall is expected to end Wednesday afternoon after 1 to 2 feet of additional falls in the area, according to the Weather Service. The Central Sierra Snow Laboratory at the University of California, Berkeley, near Donner Pass, reported nearly 41.7 feet had fallen since October.
This is to be out the kitchen window.
More than any year of snowfall since 1970 and only the record 66.7 feet established in 1952.
There's that much on my roof.
Mammoth Lakes, traditionally one of the snowiest places in California, has had nearly 4 feet of snow in the past 3 days. Snowdrifts were higher than houses, and crews worked around the clock to keep streets and sidewalks clear. Snowpack in the Sierra provides about a third of the state's water supply, and snowpack water content Tuesday.
Actually caused the roof of a grocery store to just collapse. Luckily, the store was closed at that time. Nobody was injured, but it's the only place where residents in that community can actually stock for supplies.
Our roads are heavily impacted.
2.5 feet of snow in some parts of the state. About 2 hours east of Los Angeles, the San Bernardino Sheriff's Department reporting more than 1,000 phone calls with pleas for assistance. A sign of desperation, help us, seen written in the snow. People there trapped and running low on food, supplies, and patience.